Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook temporarily blocked problem. So if you did something wrong, like you violated the community guideline, or you bullied somebody, you wrote something bad on somebody's comment, or you posted something bad, then basically if you are blocked to doing that, then even by watching this video you're not going to get unblocked. The only thing you can do in those conditions is wait until your temporary block is over, because it's a temporary block, so it is gonna get over after some time period. All right, but let's say you didn't do anything wrong and you still got your account blocked. Well, then by following the way which I'm going to be showing you, you guys are going to get your account back or get unblocked, and you can post, like, or do anything in Facebook again. All right, so follow the step. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and let's move on. First step, what you want to do is open Facebook and click on menu at the bottom of your screen, and click on versus help and support, and click on versus report a problem. Now once you're over here, click on continue to report, click on don't include in report. Now once you're over here, make sure you find pages, so scroll a bit down until you see pages, click on pages. And over here, if you guys have taken the screenshot of your problem, like whenever you try to or share a video on Facebook when you're blocked, it's going to show you a little notification. You can screenshot that notification and click on take screenshot, and you can take screenshot of that problem. All right, but if you don't want to upload a screenshot, you don't have to. All right, it's not compulsory, but uploading it will make Facebook's job easier. All right, and over here you want to write this. So basically follow what I write over here. All right, but you can also edit it a bit and write it down your own words. All right, so I'm gonna write you want to write this: I am temporarily blocked from posting or doing anything in Facebook. I got temporarily blocked for no reason. Can you help me fix it? And click on send at the top of your screen. Once you click on it, the report will be sent to Facebook. Facebook staff will view it and they'll help you fix your problem. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix your temporarily blocked on Facebook problem by reporting it to Facebook staff. So hope you guys understand how you guys can do that. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.